An epic journey like no other, crossing land and sea to reach the Farroe Islands. A journey which we will undertake in one of the world's most recognizable vehicles, the classic Mini. A car known for its nimble handling, powerful performance, unmistakable appearance. It has individuality. Recognized the world over for its striking looks and elegant style. Nothing wrong with it. All it needs is just a little bit of love. Maybe hoover out the carpets, a little bit of polish. Sure, there's a small dent in the roof, but that'll polish out and it'll be absolutely perfect. A little bit of love. Maybe a lot of love. Okay, should just be a simple case of sticking a battery in this, getting petrol up to the carburetor, and oh, all right. Okay, well, that's pretty much all there. Missing a distributor, probably a family in there, and carburetor's all there, ignition leads. Okay, well, I suppose let's try and get a battery in it and see if it cranks over. That's probably the first thing we should do. All right, should just be a case of putting this battery in here. Okay, now let's see, what have we got? Okay, they're a little bit corroded. Them a little clean. Oh, ugh, little crusty in here. Okay, let's clean them terminals. Gentle putting this battery in case it goes through the floor. Ooh, crusty. Hasn't gone on fire yet. Okay, let's see if we can get this to crank. No. Oh. That cranked over. Let's get a distributor in there and see if we can get it to start. Okay, let's put a distributor in here and see. Okay, that feels like it fits pretty good. Now, what have we got here for this coil? Okay, I think we need to change these terminals over. Wow, they are so free. That's amazing. Wonder how lucky we're going to get. Will it start? Okay, that's one terminal. So what have we got there? We have the negative terminal. Let's put that guy on there. Positives on. Let's see where that takes us. Well, I don't see the live cable around, but maybe it has been rigged up before in the past. replicate that, I suppose. So that's that earth on now anyway. I'll get this live on. Okay, positive terminal on now. Just tighten down this nut. And then we just need to find a live from somewhere for the coil. I have no idea if the distributor is in the right spot, but at least if we get a spark, that'll be something, and then we can find top dead center and set the distributor up. Okay. I wonder if this is supposed to be the live cable. It certainly looks like it could be. Going into a fuse there. It's going into a fuse there. So I think that might be it. We'll give it every chance and clean the terminals. Not that they're rusty. Okay, just try cranking that a little bit. Yeah, we got a spark. That is amazing. Okay, now I just want you to just give the key a little flick. Just like going a little bit. Just let it crank a little bit. I'm not going at all. Give it another bit. That's not crank. Just see. Oh, come on. Okay, let's try and access the top of this carburetor so we can give the engine a little bit of fuel. We're not even going to chance the fuel pump trying to drag fuel up to the carburetor yet. We're just going to give it some neat fuel through the carburetor opening so that we know it definitely has fuel. All right. Get some petrol. Okay. Give it some neat fuel. Should be about enough. Make sure the dash pot lifts. It does. Okay, let's try cranking it. Sounds close. That's fuel coming up there. The fuel pump just brought fuel up. What the hell? I think that pipe is leaking a little bit. Can't believe that just brought petrol up there. Need to get a bit of pipe for that. Okay, well we have to replace this bit of petrol pipe, seems that it's pumping petrol perfectly well from its tank. Oh, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. At least 10 years sitting here. Okay, let's try that again. And I think this time we might pull the choke out. Get it backfire through the carburetor. At least means it's sparking. Let's give it another little bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know you want to work. Okay, I think we might be 180 degrees out. So let's just set the ignition up one more time and then we'll know. Okay, let's just pop out a plug very gently. And check where TDC is. Oh, I see smoke in there. That's good. Let's just see where we need to be here. Okay, let's come up to TDC there. There it is. Okay, that's TDC. Cylinder 1. Plug lead is over there. Okay, so let's get these the right way around. So, given it's a Mini, the firing order is 1342. Back on the plug lead. And try that again. That sounds like a running Mini to me. 10 years sitting in the garden, no distributor, half rotten, and there it is. It started up. Nothing more than a little bit of timing, some fuel through the carburetor, and off it goes. Okay, let's see if we can get this to drive. Oh, okay. It's not a problem. That's fine. Just We'll hold that with our hand and oh, is it going to drive? Ah. Fine, totally fine. Safety. I might even go to the shops. She's not as smooth as she used to be. It's kind of like a Lamborghini, the way the doors, they go down instead of up. Oh, I tell you, the people in the Farroe Islands are going to be very impressed. Look at that. That's ticking over fine. Might give it a service. Okay, I hope that was just as much fun for you to watch as it was for us to make it. Wow, did we have some laugh and crack getting Gretel from the yard down here into the workshop. Gretel, you might ask, where did the name come from? Well, that was really easy. She's been leaving a little breadcrumb trail the whole way from the yard down the road, up the driveway and here in the workshop. Well, when I say breadcrumbs, bits of her bodywork. Gretel here is a 1973 Mark III Leyland Mini. The plan is to take her from here in Dublin to the Farroe Islands, if you didn't get that already from the video. We're going to leave the port of Dublin, we're going to head up the north coast of France into Belgium, then into Denmark, a 2-day trip on a boat to the Farroe Islands, then we're going to travel around the Farroe Islands with the plan of catching the Northern Lights, so it'll be winter time as well. What an epic conclusion to this adventure would be to have Gretel here on the Farroe Islands after travelling all the way from Ireland and the Northern Lights in the sky in the background. After that, we don't have much more to say other than we haven't decided a spec for the car yet. We know it's going to be in tune with 1973 and probably cafe style racer. Let us know in the comment section below anything you think might be a cool addition to the car, like maybe twin tanks or a roof box or something like that. After that, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, will you give it a like? Share it with anybody you think might be interested in the project. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, do that now by banging that subscribe button. After that, there's nothing more for me to say than see you on the next one.